Hello, assalamu alaikum, all viewers, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a new theoretical problems exercise from 7.6 from the 10th class book. Let's come start. Question number 2. A lighthouse is 150 meter above the sea level. Angle of depression of a boat from its top is 60 degree. Find the distance between the boat and the lighthouse. Question arises, what is angle of depression? First of all, we define angle of depression, the difference between angle of elevation and angle of depression. So, what is angle of elevation and angle of depression? First, we take horizontal line. For example, that is the observer line, horizontal line, line O is the horizontal line and OB is the observer line and OC is also the observer line. Look here, if any object making an angle above the horizontal line is called angle of elevation. If an object which makes a lies above the horizontal line is called angle of elevation. And angle of depression is that angle which making an angle of below the horizontal line is called angle of depression. So we can differentiate the difference between if any object which lies above the horizontal line and making an angle is called angle of elevation, or any object or observer line which make an angle below the horizontal line is called angle of depression. So let's come, we start. A lighthouse is 150 meter above the sea level. So for example, this one is the sea level. Sea level. So one of the lighthouse. So this one is the lighthouse 150 meter above the sea level. The angle of depression of a boat. One of the boat is lies on the top of the is making an angle 60 degree. So that is the top of the building. So here one of the boat making an angle of 60 degree, which is angle of depression, means that that one is the horizontal line and making angle below the line of the observer line is called angle of depressions. So here, if we join this one, it means that we give the name A, B, and C. Here AC is the top of the building when 150 meter is high, and angle of boat from the top of the boat is angle of depression is 60 degree. So here alternative angle is required, means that this angle is also alternate angle is 60 degree. So according to the definition of 60 degree alternative angles are those angles if taking one side of, for example, that is theta, and so that will be the alternative angle is if both are angle are the same side, so they are called congruent sides. For example, this one is the congruent and these are the alternative angles according to the definitions. So this is the right angle, angle C is the right angle. Now question, find the distance between the boat and and the lighthouse. Lighthouse distance is required. So we give the name, for example, here. Let D be the distance between the lighthouse and the boat. Here AC represent measurement. AC represent the height of the building, height of the building, and BC measurement. BC as equal to D, which represent as unknown the distance between the boat and the lighthouse. Now, according to the definition of triangle and triangle ABC, here perpendicular is given and here D is required. So we are using tangent theta is equal to perpendicular divided by base. And here tangent theta in place of theta is given angle 60, perpendicular 150 meter divided by base is measurement BC. So tangent 60 is equal to 3 under root and 150 meter divided by measurement BC. So measurement BC is equal to D. So we taking cross multiplication to each other. So measurement BC is equal to 150 meter divided by 3 under root, and 150 we can write 153 multiplied by 50 meter divided by 3 under root. Now this 3 is required. We change this one 3 under root, 3 under root. We can write 3 is equal to 3 under root. 3 under root and 3 under root we can write 3. Means that 3 square, so both are cancelled, so 3 is equal to 3. We can write 3 divided by 3 under root. Both are cancelled, so we get the answer 3 under root into 50 or 50 under root 3, which is the required distance between the boat and the lighthouse. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate you in advance. Please subscribe my channel.